Nope. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this YouTube stream. Waiting here for Warren to get going. Sorry, we're running a little late. Alexa, stop. Warren's having lots of struggles here, guys. You what? Why? Oh, we've got people interested. We've got two people watching right now. Gary says, hurry, hurry. Yep, we're gonna kill you, Warren. All right, guys. There we go. Well, it would have come from StreamYard.
Hey, Nima, do you see me in there?
I do. Hello, Warren.
Yeah, but I'm not hearing you on my headset. Let me make sure that you know mic and whatever settings.
You
Okay,
should be
I
good.
think I hear you now, but let me let me make sure that my audio is good. All right. Do I need to do the echo check cancellation, right? I don't remember.
What happened?
Where it says echo cancellation, I needed to check that, right? In my mic setting.
You need to turn that off.
It's not checked right now.
Good.
Okay.
Turn the stereo on.
Turn the stereo on. All right. Then I close model.
All right.
Okay. Let's see.
So now let's go ahead and connect to your machine.
Okay. So I need to. I'm gonna. I'm gonna turn off from. Okay. So here we are, Nimmer.
So let's go ahead and connect to your device, to your computer.
So I need to go unlock the bootloader. We're
Well,
trying to.
let's just connect to your computer. Get that going stuff first.
Okay. Let's connect the phone to my computer.
That way, while you're doing that, I can set up the screen sharing.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Okay, so let's go to NVDA, go to Tools, and go to Remote.
Okay, we're using NVDA, right?
Yeah.
Let me get rid of my because I have JAWS running. Let me
Forget that JAWS thing.
forget the JAWS. Okay, let me bring NVDA up.
Good,
I
good.
know I have NVDA. There we go. Ooh, but I hear like a connection error. Anyways, there's an update. Now I'm gonna tell it. Remind me later. Okay, so I'm gonna go to NVDA tools. Um, hey, where was that? Was it in help? Was it in or in
No, it's under
tools?
Tools. It's called NVDA Remote. Do you not have it installed?
You and I have worked on this before. I should have it.
Geez, Warren, by the time we get this done, it's going to be the end of the night. I thought you were working on getting all this stuff set up ahead of time.
Yeah, I should have. Why am I not seeing the? I know you and I had this before.
Well,
Um,
maybe not on
so
that machine. I don't know.
no, this was the machine because I still have the. So let me do. It's just a It's just a small app. I believe it's in my downloads though. I don't know what happened. Let me check here real quick. Sorry guys, I blame it all on me. Um, the slacker. This is gonna be NVDA add-on.
Hopefully the podcast tonight doesn't go this badly. Because this is one boring YouTube video right now.
It's called NVDA remote, right?
That's right.
Let me just go download it, Nima, because this is a waste of time. So
I agree.
NVDA remote. Yeah, see, it sees the URL that I've been there before. I don't know what happened. Okay, then let's go to download. Then okay, so where is it? Where is yeah?
Well, at the very top of the page, there's a link that says download.
Yeah, I clicked on that, and then there's either for an earlier or whatever, under the heading.
So
And
you
I'm
want the one that says download for modern NVDA.
okay. I'm gonna. Okay. My goodness. And now my NVDA is dead on me. It's not talking.
Well, are we going to have to do this later or what?
Oh, well, I think we should still do it, though. I wonder why my NVDA,
Well, I
why
would love
not?
to do it, but so far here it's 5:21, and we have a stream that is nothing right now. I don't know, for no reason. We're just
Yeah, I know.
wasting time.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
I thought that's what you were doing yesterday. You said you were going to get ready. I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna download the factory images though, because
Well, I don't
you
care
know,
what we use. We can do the factory images or the flash tool. It makes no difference to me, but it seems like nothing's ready.
newer download. Okay. Okay, it says downloaded below. There we go. Okay, I'm under the heading download for NVDA 2019
Good. There's a link there. It says
and
download modern NVDA or something like that.
there we go. There we go. Yeah, save it. Okay. Okay, download complete. So it's remote. I was looking for remote.
Oh, and now he's closed out his browser, so now he lost StreamYard. Ah, fuck's sake, this is such a waste of time. Let's see. We'll give it a minute to see if he comes back. If not, then I think we will end this stream and do this later. Let's call him up on Duo and see what happened to him, shall we? Hello? What happened to you?
It's my mistake. So I got it. It's already in there. I don't know why it wasn't showing. It said you want to update. You already have it. And so I said yes. And I mistakenly closed out of the browser, forgetting that I should have closed out the tab. So I kept saying Nimmer, and I realized it's my fault. So let me go log back on.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Apparently he'll be there. Yep, he closed out of his browser just like I thought. He's not having a very good day, I guess. I don't know what's wrong with him. Well, hello. We got 4 people watching, and so far this is the most boring podcast of all podcasts. We're still going to wait for Warren here. Gary, if you don't like the fact that we're doing it live, which a lot of people do because they can actually see exactly what people go through to get this set up, then feel free to not come here and watch the podcast. Just my comment on that. That's my thought on that. Let's see. Do you have any other comments? No, Marco, you've learned nothing. Yeah, I haven't done anything either. I'm just sitting here waiting for Warren. La la la. He's got to pop in his browser. And fun stuff. Let's see here. We'll get there eventually. Or not. Hello, Harshad. No, we're waiting on Warren. We're going to use NVDA remote to connect. But first he's got to get in here, get back in the chat, and then he's got to get his computer working. Let's call him up again, see what the hell is going on. Nope, there he is. I was about to call him again. It looks like he's popped in.
Yeah, I'm logged in.
Welcome back.
I am sorry, guys. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let Nimmer take control of my phone or my computer,
Well, maybe if we get this working.
and we're using NVDA. It says I have it installed, so I don't know why it wasn't showing when I went to Tools. Tools. Why do you think it's not showing, Nimmer? Here's what I have under Tools: is View Logs, Speech Viewer, Braille Viewer, Python, Manage Add-ons, Portable,
Why don't you try updating NVDA, see what happens?
and then Run Com registration fixing. Okay, I'm gonna try to update and see. Cause yeah, I try to.
I don't know about Warren. You've got a really old computer. I don't know what's going on with that thing. I kind of
Listen.
wish we had this stuff worked out, though, but
Uh,
come on, Warren. What the hell's going on with you? Fuck's sake. Did you leave again? Hello?
My wife confusing me too.
What about your wife?
Okay, she. Julia just turned the thing off. I tried to put it on Do Not Disturb. My wife getting pissed at me because.
You gonna come back on or what? What's going on?
No, I'm gonna come back on, but I need to turn off my my whatever from ringing in that room where my wife is, because
Well, let's not worry. Let's just get. We need to get moving. We got people sitting here. I don't know how long they're gonna be. This is a wasted stream. So let's just get the computer going. We can at least start this process. I don't know. We're not getting anywhere. It's already past 5:30 here.
Okay, let me update the NVDA.
We already lost one person.
Yeah, I know.
I suspect we'll lose all of them here shortly.
I don't want to lose all of them. I know it's just a bad day. Right. Let me. I'll do this. There we go. Fix it. Okay, Julie, you're good to go. All right. I am trying to operate under. and the pressure. See, because when when I get a call on Duo, and I thought I put that Google Mesh extender on Do Not Disturb, and apparently I didn't. So she's trying to record, and then Duo starts ringing there, and she just gets upset. So, uh,
Well, that's fine. Let's just get you in the stream here.
okay, I'm installing
Okay,
the
but you're not in the
NVDA.
stream anymore, so I don't know if you need to open up your browser again or what.
Yeah, I'm I'm installing the NVDA update, and oh my gosh, I'm thinking maybe
Message. Telegram. 5 new messages from 2 chats. Message. Anatol chat. Gary. Voice message.
my other
Message. The dark side.
computer
Margaret Roger.
though
Voice
would
message.
work. Since that computer recognizes my phone, it it should work for me without the need of. So let me try this, Nima. See if you can hear me on this, because I better do this. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Because I just exited out of my other computer because it looks like Windows just decided to restart my computer because it got some update. I haven't used this in a while. So
Yeah, we're down to 2. I don't know. Maybe we should forget about this.
uh,
We should forget about streaming it. I should just delete the stream and forget about it. Well, we've lost most of our listeners at this point, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
okay, yeah, well,
And we're over half an hour from when we said we were actually going to start. We haven't even begun yet.
I know. It's my fault. It's my fault.
Weak Wi-Fi. Using mobile data. Now using Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Weak Wi-Fi. Using mobile data.
Here we go.
Now using Wi-Fi.
Let's try this. Give me. Uh, see. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this
Weak
one
Wi-Fi. Using
more
mobile data.
time.
End call. Now using Wi-Fi.
Okay, I think I'm in there though now.
No, you're not in here.
No? Okay. Which one did I go to? Let's see. The shares come during the party. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. I think I grabbed an older version of the.
Weak Wi-Fi. Using mobile data.
Let's see if I should. Okay, I'm backstage.
Now using Wi-Fi.
Let's see.
You're in here, but you're very quiet.
Oh,
I
I know.
know why.
Oh, there we go. Let me.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Oh.
But I think I'm hearing myself come back, or because it was coming from my phone too. let's see. Okay, you guys.
No, there's nobody here. Don't worry about it.
Okay, well, I guess we'll just pre-record it. I'm going to switch to NVDA and make sure I have, I want to make sure I have, there we go. Okay. See if I have that add-on on here. Tools. Aha, this one has it. Let's see. Okay, connect. I'm a client. There we go. What's the key number?
840
840, okay.
8730
8730.
and hit OK.
Okay. Ah, see, I thought this computer didn't have it. Let's see. Am I connected? Yeah.
You are connected.
So now I need to go unlock my device.
Yep.
Okay. Where was it? Where's the about phone? Anybody remember? Isn't it in system though? Okay. Uh, Anybody remember where the about phone is? It should be under system, right?
Go down to the bottom.
No, I have unplugged it. It shouldn't be ringing in there.
That last call you got ringing in there.
Yeah, but I told you I took care of it. I just told you. You didn't hear. Gosh, women.
Okay. What's going on with your machine? I can't hear anything out of it.
Oh, my computer. Let me check. Make sure it's not asking me to say yes or something. Let's see. I'm not hearing either. Should I reload NVDA? I wonder what's going on. Let's see. And my volume is up. Okay, I don't know. NVDA got disconnected by itself because that was 840, or do I need a new one?
You need a new one. 162
162, okay.
9199.
9199. Oh. Oh, nvdaremote.com. I don't know why it got disconnected though.
Okay, now we're going to go to flash.android.com. Actually, let's open up Chrome. I don't know. It uses Firefox for some reason. Okay, we're going to go to flash.android.com.
There we
Okay.
go. Ah, developer, why are you not? There we go.
We need the Android USB driver. Okay, we're going to download the USB driver. Downloading. There we go. Okay, let's go to the downloads folder.
There we go.
Okay, so now let's go to device manager. Oh,
Oh, what's going on here? I'll put in the password. Never.
Nope. I just lost speech altogether. Very good.
I wonder why my NVDA is doing that. It did that on the other computer too. Let me bring it. Well, if I bring it back up, then it's going to disconnect us from the connection. But I guess that's what we need to do.
Yep, I guess so.
Okay, let's. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that though. You think I should switch profiles?
Switch profiles to what?
Log on with
Desktop list.
Oh, no. Now we're gonna lose. We're gonna have to reconnect everything again.
well, because it was telling you we needed administrative whatever privilege I could put in my password. Anyway, so let me.
NVDA menu. View lobby.
Let's go to
Create portable NVDA dialog. To create a portable.
connect.
StreamYard.com is sharing your screen and audio. Device manager.
It's okay. There we go. There
Device
we
manager
go.
row 1 column 2. All control panel items row. All control panel items.
Let's see.
NVDA menu. View lobby.
Tools.
Speech view rail viewer Python console manage add create portable copy run com register reload plugins off remote submit view lobby. Remote submit connect C.
Remote connect.
Connect dialog. Control another machine radio button checked. Allow this machine to host. Edit alt plus H selected experiment.com. P. Edit alt plus K blank. View
All right.
notification window.
Give me another key.
005
005. Okay.
1147.
47.
Connect OK button. All control panel items.
Okay.
StreamYard.com is sharing your screen and audio. Device manager row 1 column 3. Device manager. All control panel items. Date and time. Default program. Device manager link view and update your device hardware settings and driver software. Context net open O. Run as administrator A. All secure desktop.
Okay. There we go. There we go.
All control panel items.
It
Device manager.
It should be good to go.
Device manager.
Yeah, that's not speaking. I don't know why.
All device manager.
I hear it at my end.
All I hear is device manager. I don't know.
Let's see.
Device manager pane. Window.
Where should I go to Nimmer?
Well, we need to be able to install this driver. So
All control. Device manager. Device manager pane.
see, nothing's speaking in device manager.
Yeah, nothing is speaking. Let me see. Why should it not speak though? It's yeah. You are right.
StreamYard.
You are right. The
All control panel items row 1. All control panel items.
I don't know. I guess plug in your device, but it's probably not going to work. We don't have a driver. This is so fucking stupid. All right.
yeah. Well, the device is plugged.
Windows security alert row 1 column 2. Windows publisher. Edit red on path.
Okay. Let me tell it. Yes, I think
allow access button alt plus A.
allow access. There we go.
Secure desktop.
This is just for your network. This has nothing to do with anything.
Okay.
Pause Windows. Windows security alert dialog. Windows Defender firewall. Let's block some features of this app. Windows Defender firewall. Stop sharing button. Hide link. Stop sharing button.
No,
Hide link.
don't stop
Get the
sharing.
Google StreamYard star untitled notepad row 1. Adam Sandler wrote to my car window. Stop all hits row 2. Original vocals row 2 column 4. M6 original vocals window. MP3 doctor icon.
Let me.
M64 window 1. Adam Sandler wrote to my car window. All hits icon 6 of 9. StreamYard Google Chrome icon 8 of 9. StreamYard cam. StreamYard desktop content.
Enough stuff in there.
Driver row 1 column 2.
You can close out
driver
of.
window.
I forgot to.
StreamYard camera mic. StreamYard.com is sharing your screen and audio. Get the Google USB driver Android developers Google Chrome row 1 column 3. Get the Google USB.
Can you hear the
Android
speech
Black
at all
document.
or no?
Yes, I hear the speech.
Get started button. Download Android USB driver visited link. Your phone. You are using a Windows machine and need additional software for Android USB driver to connect. Your phone. Visited link download Android USB driver. Button cancel. Visited link download Android USB. Untitled Google HTTP. Install OEM USB driver. Clickable Android developers graphic link. Main landmark install OEM USB drivers heading level 1.
I don't know which driver it wants.
Table of contents navigation landmark.
It
Install USB driver link.
usually says that.
Heading level 2 link top of page. Link install USB driver. List with 3 items visited link Windows 10. Link window out of list if you are developing on Windows and want to connect the device for using hardware devices link. Install the Google USB driver visited link. Copy link to this section. OEM drivers link. Once you've downloaded your USB driver, follow the instructions below to install or upgrade the driver based on your version of Windows and whether you're installing for the first upgrading an existing driver. Then see link using hardware using an Android device for development. Error. Caution. You may make changes to Android Windows.info. Add support for other device upgrades the driver. Making any other changes to the driver files. Heading level 3 Windows 10. To install the Android USB driver on Windows 10 for the first time, do the following. List with 8 items. 1. Connect your Android device to your computer's USB port. 2. From Windows Explorer, open Computer Management. 3. In the Computer Management left pane, select Device Manager. 4. In the Device Manager right pane, on which one you see.
Nope. Now we lost speech again. Very good.
I don't know, but why do you think this is? NVIDIA
You
has
have a piece of crap computers. I don't know. You need to
No.
log in as administrator, I think.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe I should.
Okay, you should, but now we're going to have to reconnect again.
Let me bring it up because it's dead.
Loading NVDA. Taskbar.
Okay, let's see.
Start window. Nope. Untitled. https://streamyard.com/n79 you're done.
Okay.
No, you need to log in as admin. You need to log out and log in as a proper admin. I have no idea why you want to do this anyway.
Let me try switching.
Shut down Windows. Restart. Shut down. Sleep. Sign out.
Sign out.
Secure that.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Okay, I think I hear you, Nimmer.
Good.
Man, I feel terrible. They need to take me out back. Hang me high from a hickory tree. I don't know why NVDA kept going off though. That's really odd. Okay, I've also updated NVDA, so it's. I hope that will mitigate what the problem is. It's now on the latest build.
Okay.
So I think
Let's connect to remote then.
okay, connect. Okay, then I'm ready for the key. Let's give it another one, Nimmer.
434
434. Okay,
9137.
9137. I think it's connected.
Oh, come on.
Is it dying again?
Yep.
You know what? Maybe it's the TTS engine causing that, Nimmer. Let me change the TTS to yeah. I believe it's the TTS crashing. Let's change the TTS to maybe Microsoft or eSpeak or something. Okay, there we go. Let's try this. I'm positive it's the connect. Okay, let me get that key one more time.
Nine one four
Okay.
5851.
Okay, I think it's connected. No? I think it was the TTS engine. If this one doesn't crash. I'm not hearing the NVDA either.
StreamYard
there
desktop
it
content
goes.
shared Google Chrome. StreamYard document. Click a StreamYard desktop content. Run dialog type. Tech desktop control panel. Search box edit category context category large I. All control panel items. Administrate I. Device manager. Level 0 tree view. Level batteries Bluetooth camera compute disk display it DVD firmware DVD/CD firmware not ID human inter ID Intel keyboards mice and modems collapsed 15 monitors collapsed 6, network adapters other devices collapsed 18 print queues expand level 2 imaging 1 of 4 Nokia OBXP Nokia Sync ML client 4 of level 1 process security software components software device sound video storage control System devices collapse. Universal serial bus. Universal serial. Expanded. Level 2 Pixel 4 1 of 1. Context. Update driver P. Scan for hard. Properties are. Update driver P. Update drivers Pixel 4. Search automatically for updated driver software button Windows. Browse my computer for driver. Space. Pressed. Combo box collapsed. Edit. Browse. Button. Space. Browse for folder dialog. Select the folder that contains driver. Cancel. Select the folder that contains drivers for your hardware. Tree view. Document. Downloads collapsed 4 of 10 level 2. Expanded. One item.
Go to users, Nimmer.
Collapsed. Music collapsed. Videos Windows. Recovery.
You want me to
Windows.
take you there?
Expanded. Level 3 $SYU. Users. Expanded. Level 4 default.
W.
Public collapse 2 of 4 level 4. Warcare collapse 3 of 4 level
Yeah.
4. Expand. Level 5
And
dot
then
cache.
in the
dot
downloads
3
there, I
active
think
content
you had
desktop
it in the-
documents
or
down
was it in
favorites
desktop?
download expanded. 1 items. Level 6 USB driver collapsed 1 of 1. Update drivers Pixel 4. Browse. Include subfolders checkbox. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my next button nav space. Pressed. Unavailable. Cancel button exits the wizard.
Let me look at my phone if it's asking for anything. Do we need to find next, or is it
Windows security dialog. Would you like to install this device software?
Yes, yes,
How-
yes.
Install button Alt plus. Update drivers Pixel 4.
There we
Update drivers
go.
Android Composite ADB interface. Close button completes the wizard Alt plus C.
I think it's done.
Space. Device manager. All control panel items. StreamYard desktop content. StreamYard. Start with H. Google Chrome. New tab Google Chrome. Address and search bar edit. Dot. Flash.android.com selected. Android Flash Tool. Clickable banner landmark. Send feedback button. Main landmark. Learn more about. Get started button. Download Android USB driver. Your phone. You are using a Windows. Heading level 1 additional software needed. Your link download and button cancel. Button already installed.
Yeah, already
Clickable.
installed.
Main landmark. Get. Cancel button. OK button 1. Android Flash Tool device chooser document. List with 3 items. Follow the. Click the Add New Device below. Troubleshooting tips button. Add new device. Flash.android. Compatible. Learn more but. Compatible devices list Pixel 4. Pixel 4. Space. Learn more. Connect button 2 of 3. Android Flash Tool device chooser USB
Let
device
me
connected
tell it,
Google Chrome.
yes. Hang on.
Android Flash Tool.
Oh, it's allowed. Okay. we're
Pixel 4.
connected.
Flame. Serial number. Content info landmark Google privacy policy. Connected.
Okay, so now we're gonna
Current build RPB3. Pixel 4. Heading level 3 available. 1. To flash the selected build choose a device below. Heading level 3.
Yeah, so we're going
Pixel
to
4.
click
Caps
Pixel
lock off.
4 again.
Content info. Main landmark select Pixel 4. Flame. Content info landmark. Google privacy policy. Terms of sitemap link. Google main button collapsed advanced options. Checkbox not checked. Checkbox not checked. What? Main landmark. Build type combo box unavailable collapsed required. Select a build ID before choosing a build type. Select a build ID combo box expanded required. Alert you must select a build ID. Heading button edit device. Connected. Heading level 3 select clickable select a build ID combo box list. Build created branch 692-85702 2 hours ago AS master with phones throttle 2 of 2. 692-866 51 minutes ago AS master with phones 1 of 2. Main landmark.
I think that's the one
Select
we
a build
need,
ID
right?
combo box collapsed required has build type AS Flame user debug combo box AS Flame user debug collapsed required select a build ID before choosing a build type. List. Build created. Main landmark. Build type AS Flame user.
This is an AOSP build, though. Where's the Android
What device checkbox not
11 build?
Let's see. So
List. Build created branch grouping.
I know there's a page
Main
that
landmark edit
lists
device
the,
button.
you know, like
Devices
you
link.
have either the flashing or the images, you know.
Advanced options button collapse. Expanded. Force flash all. Disable verity. White. Build. List.
Yes, this is ALSP master.
Yeah,
Address.
no. Let's go back to
Selection removed.
you know the
Flash Android or Google search.
let's search for
Android Flash Tool Android. Android
just Android images for Google,
Android
whatever.
Android Flash Tool
it'll
Android
take us there.
Web results. Android Flash Tool Android Open Source Project heading level 3 link. Android Flash Tool heading level 3 visited link. Videos heading install Android Flash and clickable install web factory images for Nexus and how to
Yeah,
install
that
the
one.
Android
Factory images. That's the one we
This is
need.
going to go to the flash tool, though. This is
Yeah,
going to
it-
require
no-
ADB.
No, it does. It does. If you go there, it has
menu
both
button
of
collapse
them
sub
in
menu
there.
result options. Out of list link full OTA images. Out of list clickable side menu navigation.
It has
Main
the
landmark
flashing
factory
and
images
the
for
OTA
Nexus and
the
Pix.
factory images.
Terms and conditions heading level 2.
It has a
Use
bunch of
Android Flash Tool
tables.
heading level 2. Android Flash Tool is a new out of list link reference. No previous head. Main table of terms and
Yeah,
conditions.
go to the table.
Use Android Flash Tool heading level 2. Copy link to this section. Android Flash Tool is a new full Flash Tool instructions. Flash back to public link. Blank. Android Flash Tool. Cancel button. OK button. Android Flash Tool device. Settings link. Send feed. Main landmark troubles. Add new device button. Flash.android.com. Compatible devices list Pixel 4 paired. Learn more. Cancel button. Compatible devices list. Learn. Cancel button 3 of 3. Compatible devices. Android. Select Pixel 4. Content info. Edit build button. Install button. Cancel button. Confirm button. Cancel button. I accept button. Clickable.
Okay,
Banner
so
landmark help.
restarting my
Android
phone.
Android Flash Tool.
So my phone now
Android
is.
Flash Tool.
I
Link
think
help.
I need to up arrow once and hit the
Heading
power
level.
key.
Pixel 4. Current build. Heading level 3 selected build.
All right, it's coming up, Nimmer.
RP1A.200. Patch. RP1A. What? Lock. Force flash. Heading level 3 current status. Preparing your device. In
Says
progress.
it's preparing
During
my
the installation
device.
process. List with 2 items do not interact with the device unless instructed to do so. Reselect device button. Flash.android.com wants to connect. Compatible devices list Pixel 4. Space. Learn more button. Cancel button 3 of 3. Compatible device. Learn more. Cancel button. Compatible device. Pixel 4. Connect. Cancel. Learn. Untitled Google Chrome. Reselect. Compatible devices list Pixel 4. Pixel 4. Connect button 2. Android Flash Tool flash back to public Google Chrome. Cancel. Reselect device button.
What is it?
I think
Learn
this
more
is
button 1 of
where
3. Compatible devices list.
No, you don't do anything.
Pixel 4. Cancel button. Connect button. Android Flash Tool flash. Start button. Copyright 2020 link Google
Okay,
privacy policy link
I
terms.
hear the sound.
Button send feed. Button
Like
button send feedback.
It disconnected.
Unlock device. Unlocked. Clickable.
All right, now you can hit the volume up and power button.
Dialog. Unlock device. Buttons to
Okay.
navigate the list. Buttons
I
to
hit
navigate.
the power. Let's see what it does.
Did you hit volume up and then power?
Yeah, but it looks
Buttons to
like
navigate the.
it looks like maybe that turn us off because it's not.
Please, heading level 1 unlock device. Buttons to nav.
I don't see. Okay. I think it came back because the sound came back on.
Buttons to navigate. Heading level
Okay,
1
it's
unlock
coming up,
device.
Nimmer.
Please
the,
follow buttons.
The
Buttons
thing
to
is
navigate.
coming on. It's
Please follow the steps. Unlock device.
yeah. It's
View
let's see
site
what
information.
it does.
Blank. Click. Unlock device. Unlock de- Copyright 20. Clickable.
Let me see
Dialog
what it
unlock.
says.
Unlock
It's,
device. Buttons to navigate. Button.
I don't think it unlocked it.
The phone is on. I want to see if it comes up talking or what happens. Okay, I hear the sound again, and I hear the sound again. Let's see.
Ca-
Okay, now I see something on.
Android Flash Tool Flashback to public Google Chrome. Buttons to navigate the list. Please.
I think maybe
Heading level 1 unlock device.
no, no. So it didn't. So you hear the
Please.
you hear the
Buttons to navigate.
talkback. You know.
Unlock device. Clickable sitemap. Unlock device. Reload site.
I think it did it because
No, it didn't do it. It's not back on Android 11.
yeah.
Cancel button 2 of OK button 1 of space.
Yeah, I guess we.
Android Flash Tool device choose. Settings link. Main. Troubleshooting. Add new device button.
I'm just gonna go to
Flash.android.com.
start and exit.
Learn more button. Cancel button. Learn more button 1 of 3. Cancel button 3. Learn. Android.
Let it come up. I'm just gonna skip.
Next button.
I'll just skip these things, right, Nimmer?
Yep, you need to skip everything.
Set up. Just a sec. Connect. Set up offline button out of list.
Yeah.
Alert set up
Copyright
offline.
20.
Continue button.
Click the add new device. Step 3. Connect. Step 2. Out of.
Android setup.
Now we need to re-enable ADB.
Services.
Okay.
More button out of list. Accept button. Double tap to activate. Additional legal. I accept. Android setup. Just a sec. Showing generic password keyboard. Set screen lock. Editing. Pin. Edit box.
I could skip that.
Back button. Navigation bar.
I should be able to skip.
Skip button. Set. Alert skip pin. Skip button. Just a sec. Device unlocked. Home screen 1 of 1. Saturday, October
Okay.
24th. Gboard updating your typing experience. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Check
So you want me to go check to make sure ADB.
You need to re-enable ADB.
Connect to messages for web. Your notification shade. Open settings.
You need to turn on developer mode first.
Progress. Google Fi not.
Okay, let's see.
System, languages, gestures, time, back, about phone, click, about, model, Android, IP address,
Oops, there we go. I'm a second exit.
notification shade.
There we go.
Open settings,
Okay, so I need to go
tips and
back
support, help,
to about phone.
about phone, Bluetooth add, uptime, send feedback, build number, RP. You are now a developer.
And I need to go back
Google
out here.
Settings, digital well-being and Google service system language.
Alright, then I need to go
Advanced back
advance and find
backup off.
developer.
Boost. Reset up. Multiple developer developer enable Bluetooth HC OEM unlock. Running services OEM unlocking. Bootloader is already unlocked. On
Okay.
switch running web DSU load. Quick set debugging. USB debugging. Debug mode when USB is connected. Off switch. Alert. Okay. USB debugging connected. Tap.
Google.
Turn off
Pixel
USB
4.
debug.
Serial number. 99281FFAZ0045T. Off pending.
Okay.
Pixel 4. Flame.
Now we
Serial number.
are
99281. Select Pixel 4. Flame. Content in. Main landmark install button. Cancel button.
Saturday, October
Back.
24th.
Confirm
Double
button.
tap to activate. Double
Cancel
tap
button.
and hold to long press.
I accept.
Updating place.
Okay, it just is restarting. Okay, so now it's showing something.
Downloading software.
Okay, it says downloading software, right? Is this where I hit the volume up and hit the power?
No, you already did that. We have to unlock it. That's why it reset itself.
Okay. I wish I had my
No, you just leave it alone.
something to read, like, lookout to read the. I'm gonna grab my lookout. Read the screen. Oh, let's see.
Well, right now we're downloading the build onto your phone, but that's going to take 20 years on your internet connection.
It's not going to take 20 years. Oh, you want me to take it downstairs? I hear the thing going beep, beep.
Yeah, I know. The progress bar.
You think I should go downstairs, Nimmer?
I
To
don't
be
know.
closer to...
If it doesn't disconnect you.
No, I'm going to... No, it's not going to... Let me make sure...
Don't juggle that cable either.
No.
You're going to break the device.
No, I wouldn't. No. I'm not going to do that, but because I want us to be able to finish it. I'm going to put a battery on my laptop. All right, I hear it going. So I'm going to unplug. I've put in a battery.
Landscape.
So now I'm going to unplug the power and take it downstairs. We'll have better speeds downstairs, and even if I need to plug it to... Yeah, it'll be fine downstairs. So let me do this.
StreamYard.com is sharing your...
Let's see. Here, where's the plug?
Not charging battery. 100%.
All right, not charging battery 100%. All right. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Put this in my pocket. Here's the phone. Here is the computer. I got everything in place. All right, now I'm moving downstairs.
I see a comment that says that we're echoing, and we can't eliminate the echo
We are echoing.
Well, no, we can't eliminate that because of screen sharing.
Okay,
So-
I'm hoping maybe when I go downstairs, it'll improve matters some. Okay, moving
I think
downstairs.
that was Marco who said that.
We're echoing, huh?
Yeah, but we can't do anything about it.
Okay. Let's see. I am downstairs. Aiden, can you turn down your thing a little bit? Thank you. Because
Android Flash Tool Flashback to
all
public
right,
Google
I
Chrome.
think it.
Android
I
Flash
hear
Tool
it
Flashback to
disconnect
public
and
document.
Disconnect.
Pixel 4.
Reconnected.
Flame. Serial number 99281.
There we go. I hear it making noise again. All right, now I'm gonna plug it in. I mean, I got good battery. I'm not gonna worry, but I'll plug it in just to be sure. And I hear it disconnect again. I heard it disconnect and the screen came. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming to where. There we go. I think we're on a roll here. Let me plug this thing in. Let's see.
Charging battery. 100%.
Did you hear my screen reader, Nimmer? Charging battery 100%. I wonder, it's sitting on this screen. Do I need to do anything now?
No.
All right.
Content info. Pixel 4. Flame. Blank. Blank. Pixel.
Oh yeah, it's going. I hear the little progress.
Do not interact with the.
There you go. And guys, if you're hearing us, we're still waiting. There's progress going on, and by the way, that crow out there is at Nimmer's house, not at my house. Can hear a crow in the background. I would love to see what the percentage is on my phone.
Well, you can see it on the computer.
Oh, you can see it on the computer?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear the beeping.
Do not out of list during the installation. Progress bar 80.14429.
Oh, there we go. So
Installing
we can
software.
check the progress on the computer, so it's 80 something percent.
You can also turn the beeps off and enable it to read the percentages.
Good. See, I'm not very familiar with NVDA, and it's quite a shame. It's a good screen reader. I think some of us are just a little too lazy to learn it, and Marco included. Marco, if you're hearing me, both you and I are a little too lazy when it comes to NVDA. We need to use it more. I think the part that NVDA gets me stumped is I think I don't know how to use the review cursor. Like if I want to review something. Or the mouse cursor. Ooh, Nimmer.
Mm-hmm.
My phone fell down. Doggone. My phone slipped off my table, and the screen went dark. I don't know if it's still going on. Nima, can you check the... I mean, it's not disconnected. It's still plugged in.
It's still going. Don't worry.
Oh, my goodness. I hope my phone didn't mess up.
It's still fine. You just don't want to unplug it.
No. I will not do that by any means. I hear it. It's my fault. I put it on a book, and it slipped off, and it hit my computer, and then it hit. I got a desktop down here that I shouldn't have.
Okay.
But thank God for tempered glass. Nothing happened to it. Tempered glass in a case.
Good.
If it was Nimmer's phone that's all running naked, I don't know what would have happened.
Nothing.
I don't know, bro.
Nothing would have happened.
It's just, it fell from like 2
I
feet.
drop phones all the time. The only time that the screen cracks is if it lands on a rock or something, or you throw it way up in the air.
Yeah. This dropped from like 2 feet and hit the
that
computer.
doesn't-
Then
that
it
won't affect
then
it
it
at all.
dropped another maybe a foot and a half or maybe a foot.
Doesn't.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
It's fine. I'm gonna check percentage.
Heading level 3 current status. Android flash tool. Tick the items you wish to.
What's the percentage, Nimmer? I better leave it alone.
Force flat. Heading level 3 install. Progress bar 94.318405151366719.
All right.
During the installation process. List with 2 items do not interact with the device unless instructed to do so. Do not unplug your device. Out of list content info landmark. Installing software. No next button. Caps lock off.
If you hit insert U, it should change it so it reads the percentages.
Okay. Now I hear that the phone disconnected and now reconnected.
Start button.
There we go. We're done.
I think we're done.
We are done.
Yeah. And
Button cancel. Your bootloader must be locked to complete the process. Button start.
so I need
Dialog
to-
lock device.
I need to lock.
Okay, we're gonna
Can you
lock
lock
the
it,
device.
Nimmer?
Lock device. Clickable. Dialog lock.
So now you need to hit volume up and then power.
Okay. I just did that, and I believe that turns it off though. I need to. Oh no, it's coming back on. There we go. I hear the sound, and then okay, there we go. There, it's coming back on the screen. That getting to the setup screen here.
Lock device. Volume. Button done. Button.
Hey.
Lock device.
Now I can do enable accessibility.
Press and hold both volume keys for 3 seconds to use TalkBack. TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blind. TalkBack tutorial.
There we go, guys. We just flashed.
Scrolling forward and backward in
So we just flashed the phone
accessibility volume set to 60.
that was using the flashing tool. And frankly, I want to apologize to you guys because nothing was working tonight. I just got into too many issues, problems, whatever, uncertainty.
So just to recap the process, let's
Yeah.
kill off echo.
Okay. Nima, you want to recap the process? I should unplug my phone now, I believe.
Okay, so the echo should be gone now. So just to recap the process,
Stop battery level.
you have to first make sure that you have the driver installed for the USB driver. If you don't have USB driver installed, you can download that USB driver, and when you go to the flash tool, it'll guide you through. It'll take you the link to do that. You download it, and then you have to go under Device Manager. And when you go under Device Manager, what you want to do is find the
Find the
USB
pixel.
section. And
Yeah.
then find the pixel under the USB tools, and then you can go
Right-click
do a
on it.
right click or do an application key or Shift F10, whatever. Hit Update Driver. And then when you do that, you only have to do this once, really. But once you do that, you're going to have to go to, it says something like install manually, find driver manually or something. You're going to you're going to install the
Android
driver,
click browse.
and you're going to browse. You're going to find the download wherever that is. And when you've downloaded it, it'll download it as a zip file, so you have to extract the zip file. Anyway, you will go to that, and it'll search for the driver. You just have to go to the folder, and then it'll find the driver. It'll install it. It'll ask for permission to install it. Then once you do that, you can go to the Flash tool, flash.android.com. Although if you go to that, it'll just give you the AOSP. So you might want to look for
The
specifically
factory, yeah.
the factory image. And then just follow the steps. When you get to a point where it says lock your device or unlock your device, either way, you can hit volume up and then power, and that's it. It will go through the rest of the process. You do want to make sure you do have the ability to unlock the bootloader. So there's a setting in developer settings that you can check that says allow unlocking of bootloader before you do all that. And you also want to make sure that USB debugging is turned on as well. So, and then as you saw, you just go through that process. It takes a little bit depending how fast your connection is. It'll download the image, it'll install it, then it'll ask you to relock the bootloader. You do that, and you're done. Just know that this will wipe your device, so anything that you have on there, it's not going to be on there anymore. You have to go through the setup process again. You can do this with AOSP builds, or you can do this with particular build number, or you can do this with back to public build. If you do it with the AOSP builds, which is kind of the latest that Android has, you may end up without TalkBack and without any kind of like Google services. So you'll have to do is download TalkBack and then install TalkBack using ADB. But TalkBack, ADB will automatically be, usually when you install AOSP, the ADB is automatically enabled. So you can just download the TalkBack build and install that through ADB, and then you will have TalkBack running in AOSP. But that is the absolute latest that Android has. Now, this works on Pixel phones. There's a couple of other developer build phones, but other than that, it really works with Pixel devices. The process for doing this on a Samsung is different. You would have to go get you'd have to download a app,
The Odin
a different
stuff.
app for that, the Odin tool, and then you'll have to download the build and extract it. You'll end up with 3 different files that you'll have to do that. You can do something similar, just install the images on Pixels as well. You just download the images and then use ADB to do that process. But the tool automates it. The Flash tool automates that process. But ADB would do the same thing. So anyway,
And
thank
with
you guys
the second one that Nima is talking about, you really have to know what you are doing with that ADB thing, because you'll be flashing the different files, like the radio files. And Nima and I have done that before, and you really have to know what you are doing. I mean, it's also nice, but you truly need to know what you're doing, or else I think this method that we just did today is probably the easiest to do.
All right. Well, thank you guys. And if you managed to listen this far, congratulations.
And again,
And
I
don't
owe you guys a
I don't
beer.
really think anyone's going to listen this far, but if you have, congratulations. I'm not going to edit any of this out.
It's my fault. And we'll be
Might
seeing
be a
you
complete waste
guys
of time, but we'll see you guys later.
in about, maybe a couple hours, less than a couple hours now at 8 o'clock.
Oh, it's more like almost an hour now. It's already
Yeah.
6:41 here.
All right. So anyway, so I'm going to set up my phone before that time comes up.
All right.
Oh, thanks, Nimmer. Thank you,
we-
guys.
Do you want to go through the setup while we're already on the stream, or do you want to?
Yeah, no, I
Do that?
don't. I
Okay.
don't want to bother them.
I don't know. Well, we've already bothered them. It's already an hour and a half long stream. So I don't know if it would be beneficial to
Well-
go through an Android setup process, or
So,
I don't know
well,
if we've already done that.
basically, so if you guys,
Scrolling forward and backward.
the whole idea is now I'm on the screen where you could set up your phone
Lesson 4.
And
Text
you know,
navigation.
this is all about
Text navigate
the
back button.
the
Out of
tutorial.
list
So I just
navigation bar.
exited out of that,
Weather. Language
and
English.
So you
so
just find the exit button to get out of it, or the
yeah,
back
the
button will get
exit
you
is
out of
at
the
the
tutorial.
bottom left, and I tapped on that. I'll just take this to maybe where we connect to the Wi-Fi,
Emergency
and
call.
then
Start button.
so we tap on start.
Android setup. Activating network.
So it
Progress.
says activating network. So it's checking
Progress.
things,
Google Fi not
and
fully activated.
um,
Finish activation.
it sees my my SIM card in there.
To finish, connect to Google Fi later.
So
Next button. Double tap
I
to
tap
activate.
on next. So you know,
Connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi in list.
and here's where you
Checking for
connect to your
downloads.
Wi-Fi.
Rooftop guest Wi-Fi signal. Select a
Yep.
network. The mesh Wi-Fi signal full. Connect to open Wi-Fi network.
And
Root.
I'm gonna put in my password. You
Show
can get to it
password.
anyways,
Shift.
so I'm not.
Keyboard. Symbol keyboard. Showing
I'm not
symbol
gonna
keyboard.
worry.
Quote. Asterisk. Add. 5. 4. Bullet. 1.
Ha! I have a nice
Bullet.
keyboard that I don't have to double tap.
Letter keyboard. Show E.
And I've just muted Warren so he can type his password in, and I'll unmute him in a second or two. So that way he can type in all his password information for his wireless. You guys don't get to hear all that.
Plus. Question mark. Connect to Wi-Fi.
All right,
The
and
mesh
we'll unmute him
authenticated.
here.
Wi-Fi signal full. Secure
I
network
am
in
connected
list.
to my Wi-Fi.
Rooftop Wi-Fi.
Oh, good.
Select a network. The mesh authentication problem. Wi-Fi signal full.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Secure network.
why?
The mesh authentication. Showing
I'll try it
password.
again.
Symbol keyboard.
All right, we'll
Maybe it
mute him
was
again.
Quote.
maybe my fault. I don't think Nima's
All
hearing
right,
me.
there we go. He's unmuted now.
Okay, Nima, I was talking.
Don't copy button.
I was saying that I think I probably will have to. We may just have to end the stream here, so I could just go do a factory reset, because it was seeing my eSIM in there, which means it didn't erase all my info like it ought to have.
No, it definitely erased your info. That's
And
one thing it
because it
does when you
kept,
do a...
yeah, but it came up seeing my Google Fi.
I know, it does that.
It shouldn't have, because
Service enrollment is running in background.
No, that's exactly what it does.
Running in background. Service enrollment is running in. Next button.
okay, I'm gonna copy my.
Don't copy, but next button.
I'm gonna tell it to copy my.
Phone. Can't use old phone button.
So it says, hey, you could bring in your old phone, and I'm gonna say I can use that, so it will take me to where I could log on to the Gmail and stuff like that.
Restore data without old phone. You can restore more data, including photos and videos, if you use your old phone. To restore data without your
Now
old
I'm gonna.
Okay.
I said okay.
Just a
So now
Android setup.
what I need to do
Setup. Checking info.
it's
Google
is
Play services. Checking info.
is
Sign
checking
in
my.
with your Google account.
So I'm gonna sign in.
Sign in.
So
Sign in
I'm
with
gonna
your
have
Google
Nimmer
account.
mute
Learn
me
more.
for a little bit, and I'm gonna type in all my info
All right,
and
we'll mute you here.
and
There we go. He's muted now. So now he can type in his password, his information in for his email.
Shift. Shift. Button. Sign.
All right, we'll unmute him.
Let's see, Nimmer, I got a wrong password.
Shift.
Uh-oh.
Symbol keyboard.
Why?
All right, we'll mute him again.
Asterisk.
That's okay, Nimmer. I can mute myself out of
Asterisk.
right here on my mic.
Oh, good.
Add.
Yeah.
Add.
So
Letter keyboard. Showing password
let
keyboard.
me see.
W. With S. Shift. Shift enable.
Okay, I'm gonna mute for a sec. I'll be back, guys. I don't know why it's telling me I got wrong password.
Nope, the bootloader is locked now, Harshad. So when you when you're doing when you use the flash tool, it asks you if you want to. Well, you have to unlock it, and then at the end it'll tell you that you should lock it, and then it pops up that prompt. In ADB, you can always lock it again as well, but it automatically asks you if you want to do that, and then in order to lock it, you just have to, again, when it comes up with that prompt, you hit the volume up button and you hit the power button. So now the bootloader is actually locked now, and he is on Android 11, the public build. So that is where we're at now. And he's still muted, so.
Activating.
Nope. There he
All
goes.
right, so I am back. So it came up with my two-step verification, so I told it to tap yes on my device. So I have the other device, so I just tap on yes, that's me.
Next button.
And now just tap on next. And
Service. Help improve network quality.
network quality.
Turn on network diagnostics button.
Yeah, I don't care. You can do it. Congress may say, hey, I shouldn't do that. I don't care.
Restore data from an old phone.
So now we come to the part that is very critical, and I always say people check this part, and that's the one that I'm going to have it bring my apps and stuff like that.
Google Pixel 4 backup 3 hours ago, 2:56 p.m.
So that's the one I want, but or else, I'm just going to show what else I have.
Google Pixel 4 backup September 3rd, 3:13 p.m. Motorola Nexus 6 backup October 10th, 10:40. Motorola Nexus 6 Pixel 4a backup September 8th. Google Pixel 4 backup yesterday, 7:20.
So you see, I have
Google Pixel 4 backup.
other backup restore points here that I could choose from, but of course I'm going to choose the one from my phone, and that's the one from 3 hours ago.
Google Pixel 4 backup 3 hours ago.
I tap on that one and then tap on next at the bottom,
Showing numeric password keyboard.
and it takes me to, confirm my PIN, so it could,
Checking for new voice
decrypt and install my stuff from the restore point.
voicemails.
So I'm gonna mute my
Checking for
whatever, one more time, put in my password or my PIN, and then I come back.
Checking for new voicemails. Checking for new
Okay,
voicemails.
let's see.
Harshit, if you wanted to lock your bootloader and your booter is unlocked, you can do that through ADB. So are you asking for the exact ADB commands? Actually, it would be through
So,
fastboot. So are you asking for the exact fastboot commands, Harshit?
okay.
Apps, all 265 apps.
So I got a total of 260 something,
6.7 gigabytes of
and
51
it takes
gigabytes. Heading.
6 point something gigs.
Restore button.
I tap on restore.
Set up Google Play.
Now that I've tapped on
Continue
restore
setting up your
and it
business
says I
store.
could continue using
Restoring.
my phone,
Android setup. Just a
and I
sec.
go to,
More button. Google
accept all the,
talk back on.
uh,
Talk back
yeah, so the
tutorial.
TTS, it got a new TTS, so that's why we're hearing that.
Lesson 3.
So
Talk
now I'm going to
back,
hit
vent back.
the back at the bottom. Sometimes the TTS goes off.
Accept button.
There we
Out
go.
of list.
Accept.
Additional legal terms. I accept button. Android setup. Just
Ooh,
a sec.
isn't that silly?
Showing numeric password keyboard. Set screen lock. Editing.
So it's asking me to set my screen lock, and of course it's going to do. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to skip the. Well, maybe I shouldn't skip, but let people know the process. So at this point, I'm going to choose the screen lock that I want. I'm going to just put in the same one that I had previously before resetting the device. So I will mute one more time. Okay, now we get to where it's asking me to set up a face unlock because I don't have. I could skip this for now, but basically, what you want to do, if you don't want to use the part or the face unlock that says, "Hey, if you're blind or if you have difficulty moving your head around," then by default, that's the one that is on. Now, if you, Nima and I don't like using that, so we always uncheck that. So at that screen, was talking about setting up that face unlock, and you could
More button. No thanks button.
you could say no thanks, or
More button.
the more to read more,
Agree button.
or you tap on agree. So here's what happens.
Set up face unlock. Use accessibility face unlock. If you have limited vision or head motion, this option is an easier way to set up face unlock. When using face unlock, your head may need to be more directly in front of your phone. On switch.
So like I said, by default, that's what is on. Now, if you don't want to use that, like I said, Nima and I don't like using that. So typically what we do here is uncheck this so we could use the regular one that anyone would use, because that's going to tell you, okay, move your head this way, or, toward the arrow. You have to keep doing all of those things to get it right. So
And the reason that we do that is when you go to unlock your phone, it actually makes the unlock process a little bit easier and faster because you don't have to necessarily have the phone right in front of your face.
That's right, because what
So-
happens is it's taking a picture of all angles of your face. You turn your head that way, turn your
Yeah.
head that way.
But if it's harder for you to set up or you're not able to, then just use that
Use the
accessibility mode, and
default.
it's fine.
Yes. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know if it's gonna have, because I have a headset on. You think that's gonna be a problem, Nimmer?
Nope.
So
Shouldn't be.
okay. So I'm
Still
going.
able to see your face.
Yeah.
So Harshid, what you want to do is make sure that you have the ADB and fastboot tools installed and that you have a USB driver. And then when you want to lock your device or unlock your device, you go to developer mode, you enable the setting says OEM, allow OEM unlocking. And then what you're going to do is you're going to boot your device into bootloader mode. The easiest way to do that is in the command line, the terminal. You type ADB reboot bootloader. Bootloader is one word. And then it's going to boot your device into bootloader mode. And then you can use a fastboot command. So you're going to use fastboot flashing unlock to unlock your device. And then it'll ask if you want to unlock on your phone. You'll have to hit the volume up button and the power button. So first volume up and then power. The same is true if you want to lock your device. You just type in fastboot space flashing space lock. And then again, the same process. It'll ask you if you want to do that. You hit volume up and then you hit power. And then once that happens, then you're good to go. Once it locks or unlocks, if it doesn't, I don't remember if it automatically reboots itself. If it doesn't, you can just hit, you can type ADB reboot or just hit the power button once and it'll reboot your device. So that is how you would do that, and just know it will wipe your device both ways. If you lock it or unlock it, it will wipe your device. So.
Okay, it's finished my face unlock, but here's what I want to say. When it says move your face or turn your head left or move the phone lower, when you get it right, you'll feel a little vibration letting you know that that process is in place. And now it says
face unlock setup finished.
And so
To improve performance, you can set up face unlock again in settings. Start over button. Okay button.
Now this process for unlocking and locking may be a little different for each device. Some devices you type OEM unlock or OEM lock. It just depends. So some devices have, are slightly different, but that is generally how you would go about doing that. And you typically want the bootloader to remain locked. It's kind of a security feature. So
just a sec. Continue setup. Keep going to get your phone fully set up.
Okay.
Or leave.
So I
Keep going to get your phone fully set up. Or leave now and get a reminder to finish later.
and I'm just gonna say
Continue button.
continue setting up.
Android setup.
And
Just a sec. Just
so
a sec.
what happens
Google. Voice
is that
match
is
enrollment.
now it's gonna take me to the assistant where I could do the voice whatever.
Voice I agree button.
I tap agree and
Your
it should
assistant
find
can
my
already
voice.
recognize your voice.
It says assistant could already recognize my voice. So at this point, what I need to do is
Next button.
tap on next
Android setup. Just a sec.
and then
Squeeze for your assistant.
squeeze
Talk to
for
your
my
assistant
assistant, of course, and that's what I'm gonna miss after this Pixel 4. I love the squeezing. Nima and I love the squeeze.
50% scene control.
yeah, I'm surprised. Not many people use it though, but
I don't know
Just a sec.
why that is.
you can use a app called Side Squeeze Plus anyway. It works okay. So
So
Make your lock screen smarter. When you're nearby, the display turns on. Face unlock on.
yeah, I probably
Pixel uses motion sense to
I
detect. Skip button.
I tell it skip that for now.
Anything else? Set up a few more things now, or find them later. Add another email. Identify. Change.
I'm
font
gonna
size.
sit-
Control info on lock screen. Column 2.
the one I
Um,
like that says identify the
You want
playing
lock screen
music
to
or
display.
something.
Check don't show notification.
So I don't like mine showing
Done
any
button.
notifications. So now tap on
Anything
done.
else?
No,
Done for now. Button.
done for
Just
now.
a sec. Get more tips and tricks. Stay
And
up to date on
you could go
Yes,
through
I'm in
this
button.
whatever and
completing setup. Google Play.
and so
Getting
that's
your
it.
phone ready.
It is getting my phone ready, and that would be the process of setting
Go
up.
home. Introduction to navigation gestures.
And you can go through these tips if
Next
you
button.
want. See, like
Switch apps.
um,
Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Hold, then release.
so it's just telling you how to use those gestures.
Next button.
So I
Go
tap
back.
next.
To go back to the last screen, swipe towards the middle from the left or right edge.
Go next.
Next button. Device unlocked. Portrait. All set. All set.
So now just swipe up,
So now it's
And-
going to download all your
and
apps.
Your new
and
Pixel.
now here's all my
Folder. Google. 4 or more
all
items.
my
Folder. Navigation. 4 or more
my
items.
folders are there.
folder, money 4 or more, folder, misc 4 or more item, folder, radio, TV, 3
Yeah,
items.
so see, all my folders are there, and now I'm just gonna wait for it, let it download my apps, and then of course it will switch back to my default TTS, which is the Eloquence from the Code Factory guys. So it's no longer being supported, but I'm still using that until it can no longer work. So that is how that thing goes. And again, guys, I seriously want to say sorry for.
Story multimedia messages.
So there it is.
Setting up the Google Fi VPN.
There we go. So it's doing all of that and setting up my stuff, and it always brings back everything that I ever had in there. I think there was a couple times that those didn't come back when we were doing it during the preview, Android 11 preview, and I lost some SMS
Set up
messages
Google Play.
there. Some of them. It's just kind of really odd, but yeah. So that's how it works.
Good.
And
So
Nimmer,
we'll see you guys in less than
credit
an
goes
hour
to
now.
Nimmer. Credit goes to Nimmer. Oh my goodness. So guys, we'll be seeing you in an hour, I guess.
Yeah, less than an hour now.
All
Bye-bye.
right. I'm gonna go look for food while this thing finishes up, and I'll try
good.
to,
Set up Google Play.